Hey, what's going on, guys? So today really what I want to talk about is how information travels and why that's important, right? Especially when we're doing the RPR system, we're doing a lot of rubbing and it's changing my movement. Why is that happening, right? So as information travels up the brainstem, it comes up and then forward, and then to go back to the body, it goes down and back. So when it comes up and forward, if you'll see on the other slide, that green area is your sensory map, right? So touch, smell, taste, all that stuff. And it's located right next to your motor cortex, right? Which is how we move, our movement, right? And in neurology, areas that lie next to each other affect each other, right? So if I put my hand on a stove and I feel that heat, my motor cortex goes, you better move because that's damaging, right? So also goes the same thing if I'm doing any sort of rubbing, right? It gets me more aware of that area wherever it is. So say if I'm having a problem doing my thoracic glides up and down, you rub that area, all of a sudden you map that in your brain clear where it is, and then you're able to move, right? Same thing you could even look at as a foam roller, right? That's sensory information, right? So people use a foam roller after they get done working out. They're like, got a sore leg, so I foam roll it. I find a spot that's really, really tight and I lay on it and eventually it goes away. That's not breaking up any scar tissue, right? No matter what you've heard over and over in previous lectures and things like that, that's just not the case. Because if it was, every time I would do a squat with a 200-pound barbell on my back would rip in half, right? What that does is it lies on certain receptors that are sense receptors, and then it goes, okay, this is fine, right? Gives a little bit of a clearer map of that area, and then it's allowed to release from your motor cortex. If you found this very interesting and got some nuggets out of it, comment aha or hashtag nugget and let me know your aha moment.